There's a chill in the air outside. A cold wind's beginning to blow. It's starting to feel like snow. They say we might get 2 feet. Glad we got lots of treats to eat. Gonna hunker down for 2 days or so. It's starting to look like snow. Let's drink some hot cocoa and snuggle by the fire. Maybe play a game or 2. Let's stay up late and sleep in tomorrow and wake up to a bright, white, snowy day. The weatherman's been wrong before, but this time I think he knows the score. Got that chilly sensation that we all know. Yes, it's starting to feel like snow. Snuggle by the fire, maybe play a game or 2. Let's stay up late and sleep in tomorrow and wake up to a bright, white, snowy day. The weatherman's been wrong before, but this time I think he knows the score. Got that chilly sensation that we all know. It's starting to look like, it's starting to smell